I can just listen to y'all all day. And I'm just saying this for the doubters that's out there. I am just like y'all. I didn't know nothing about real estate. And through prayers and things, I was able to get in the class. If I knew what I knew now, I would probably be in a multimillionaire with the knowledge that you're going to get and the information. And I would challenge any of y'all because I did my search. The Polites are very relatable and they keep it 100% real. And the most impressive thing to me, if anybody in this group that can tell me that they can got personal access to talk to multimillionaires, now, for you let me know. And they got that accessibility. You can't get no more closer than that. That was the best investment that I have ever did, and I look forward to doing more. So that's just being honest. And Miss Monet, I mean, and their whole staff, man. I mean, I can go on and on, but I encourage y'all. I'm not here to tell y'all, trying to sell y'all anything because I'm not a salesman, but I'm just telling you from my personal experience.
I'm just glad to see that you truly appreciate and get value out of what we're teaching, because we really did make the program for what we wanted when we first started out, right? So that's why we also run them. Do we have an entire team of staff? And like Melvin said, everyone on our team is amazing. All of our coaches is in our mentorship program, amazing. But I had a bad experience with that. Like, when we first started out, but because of that experience, I tell Dedric, when we show up, it has to be us who show up, right? When people learn from us, it still has to be us, because I knew what it felt like. And I'm glad you recognize that, Melvin, that you do have access to us. So when we say, hey, listen, email us, it doesn't stop after the accelerator. We're with you until you get traction, until you get on your foot and you get a deal, whichever way that deal looks, whether it's a buy and hold, fix and flip, or what have you. We're still going to be with you to have access to us, emailing us, saying, hey, listen, I got a deal. Can you guys help me run my numbers? We really did patent this behind what we kind of needed and didn't have when we first started.
So again, we appreciate you, Melvin. Thank you for sharing that with everyone.
When I first heard about the program, which I first saw the Polites on the 50-50 split, and then I went in for a whole 2 days. I researched y'all up and down. I researched y'all reviews, I researched y'all interviews, 50-50 flip. And when I say that you cannot find no better people to be a mentor to or to lead by, and they didn't even go to half of the details about, man, if just watch their interviews, and if you're not sold, then that's just on you, because I'm sold. And it's hard to make me spend my hard-earned money. So, hey, listen, but just ain't nobody going to tell me anything and make me spend my money. So Chris, I encourage you to go ahead and sign up, family, and everybody else, please, and stuff. I encourage you. And if you put in the work, I promise to God it's going to pay off.